Imagine holding a device that is larger, faster, and smarter than any iPhone ever made. A device that can capture stunning photos and videos with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a periscope zoom lens, and a new capture button. A device that can connect to the next phase of 5G Wi-Fi 7, and a mysterious new button that could change everything. A device that is powered by a 3-nanometer chip, a new thermal design, and a micro-lens display that is brighter and more efficient than ever. This is not a fantasy. This is the iPhone 16 Pro, and in this video I will tell you how it's going to change everything. So, let's get started. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are expected to launch in the fall of 2024, and they will bring major changes to the iPhone lineup. In this video, we will explore the latest leaks and rumors about the iPhone 16 Pro models and how they could revolutionize the smartphone industry. The first thing you will notice about the iPhone 16 Pro models is their size. According to multiple sources, the iPhone 16 Pro will have a display that is 6.3 inches in size, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have a display that is 6.9 inches in size. This means that the iPhone 16 Pro models will be taller and wider than the iPhone 15 Pro models, and they will also weigh slightly more. The size increase will be limited to the Pro models, as the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will stay the same size as the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. The larger displays will also have a higher refresh rate, possibly up to 120 Hz for the basic iPhone 16 model. This will make the user interface smoother and more responsive, and it will also enhance the gaming and video watching experience. The displays will also use micro-lens technology, which will improve the brightness and the power efficiency of the OLED panels. The iPhone 16 Pro models will also have a new design for the buttons. According to some rumors, the volume and power buttons will be solid state, meaning that they will not move or click, but they will still provide haptic feedback. The iPhone 16 Pro models will also have a new button below the power button, which has been dubbed the capture button. The purpose of this button is unknown, but some speculate that it could be a dedicated shutter or spatial video recording button for the camera. The button will also require the relocation of the mmWave 5G antenna window on US models. Speaking of the camera, the iPhone 16 Pro models will feature some impressive upgrades to the camera system. The most notable one is the 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, which will allow for higher resolution photos and videos when shooting in 0.5x mode. The ultra-wide lens will also have a larger aperture and a faster autofocus, which will improve the low-light performance and the image quality. The iPhone 16 Pro models will also have a periscope zoom lens, which will enable optical zoom up to 10x or more. The periscope zoom lens will use a prism to bend the light and extend the focal length without increasing the thickness of the camera module. The iPhone 16 Pro models will also have a new A18 Pro chip, which will be manufactured with TSMC's second-generation 3-nanometer process, known as N3E. This will make the chip faster and more efficient than the A15 Pro chip, which is based on the 5-nanometer process. The A18 Pro chip will also support the new Wi-Fi 7 standard, which will offer faster Wi-Fi speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 will support the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands simultaneously, and it will have a peak data transfer speed of over 40 Gbps, a 4x increase over Wi-Fi 6E. The iPhone 16 Pro models will also have a new 5G modem, the Snapdragon X75, which will support the 5G Advanced standard. 5G Advanced is the next phase of 5G, and it will offer faster and more power-efficient 5G connectivity. 5G Advanced will also pave the way for 6G, which is expected to launch in the late 2020s or early 2030s. The iPhone 16 Pro models will also have a new thermal design, which will improve the heat dissipation and the battery life of the devices. The battery will have a metal casing, similar to recent Apple Watch models, which will help to reduce the internal temperature and the risk of overheating. The iPhone 16 Pro models will also have a mysterious new button, which has not been revealed yet. Some sources claim that the button will be located on the left side of the device, opposite to the capture button. The function of this button is unknown, but some speculate that it could be related to augmented reality, biometrics, or Siri. The button could also be customizable, allowing the user to assign different actions or shortcuts to it. The iPhone 16 Pro models will be the most advanced and innovative iPhones ever made, and they will set a new standard for the smartphone industry. They will have larger and faster displays, a new capture button, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a periscope zoom lens, a 3nm chip, Wi-Fi 7, 5G advanced, a new thermal design, and a mystery button. These features will make the iPhone 16 Pro models the ultimate devices for photography, videography, gaming, entertainment, productivity, and more. If you are excited about the iPhone 16 Pro models, make sure to subscribe to my channel, The Tech Critic, where I will keep you updated with the latest leaks and rumors about the iPhone 16 Pro models and other Apple products. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.